Hi guys, so I'm probably taking the piss by doing
Wind up your body, me love. Every time we are fuck, me can't get enough.
welcome to another vlog. Today, I did a lot today. I did a good job, bitch. I did a good job. Like, I had a call in the morning, then I went to see my dad, and then I had another call in the afternoon, and then I went to go and get my cameras done. Then I fitted my wig. I think I did a good job. I think I did a decent job because, if I'm honest, hair is not my forte, but I curled it as well. And I think I did it quite well. So I just got these two clips here for now, just to keep this part flat. It's flat already, but I'm just, when you just want it to stay flat, basically. Tonight, I'm going to go see my friends. We're going to go to the movies. It is so hot today. There's like a heat wave. It's like 29 degrees or 30 degrees right now. And like tomorrow's going to be even hotter. So I'm about to be out in the sun. I still have stuff to do, but when you come home, you'll do it then. Because this UK heat, if you miss it, it's gone. It won't be back till next year. So guys, also, can you please like and subscribe to my videos, to my channel, like and comment, and press like the bell notification, so that way when I put up new videos you are aware. So yeah, if you could do that, that would be amazing. Candyman, and it's actually really cute in here. It's different from like the cinemas that we usually go to, but should be fun. Hi guys, so today is Wednesday. It is the next day. So yesterday I went to the movies, which was really good. We watched Candyman, and you know what, it was good. It was interesting. I'm gonna do a little bit of a spoiler, but it was interesting because it kind of meant, even though the black person was the villain, the black person was also the winner. Not really the villain. Let me even say again. So I don't know, you lot need to watch it. It's a bit complex, but I like the way the black person at the end was the winner. when you go and watch it, you'll understand what I mean. But it was really interesting, should I say. It was interesting. It was a thought-provoking, but yeah, it was really good. So yeah, this morning I've woken up, thank God, worked out, showered and everything. I'm about to have breakfast. Done my skincare, that's why I look so greasy. Got my SPF on, as this is standard, to be honest. The last 2 days, Monday, Tuesday, were kind of busy for me. So today, as in Wednesday, kind of feels like my Monday because I could actually do my routine. So yeah, we're going to be finalizing some things today for J & Co, which should be really good, and then also editing, because I've not had a time, like a moment to just sit down and just edit and just get that out of the way. So that's the aim today. Thank you. How are you?
Good, yeah, good. Can you hear me? Just like a little bit there.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Perfect. Okay, good. It's all right. I'm in the office and it's a bit dodgy signal in certain parts.
No worries.
So I've got good news. They
amazing.
And, yeah, just basically to share the good news and just to tell you, it'll either be the end of today, but probably more likely tomorrow, when either myself or Darcy will come back to you and let you know the details.
I really appreciate your help as well for like pushing it forward. So I really appreciate it.
That's what we're here for.
Yay.
All right. Well, yeah, leave it with me and one of us will be in touch with you either end of today or tomorrow.
All right then. Thanks so much.
All right. 6 inches. Bye.
Bye. It is a Sunday. Happy Sunday. I literally did this makeup in 15-ish minutes and I'm kind of proud of myself. I'm getting good at this. But yes, it's Sunday. I just cleaned my house today, worked out, and did that kind of housekeeping stuff, house girl duties, and I'm about to go and see my sister with my dad. So I'm about to make my way over to my dad's house, well, where I used to live. So I'm about to make my way there now, so we can go together. Literally, you know what, it's been a productive morning so far because I basically woke up, worked out, the usual, and sorry, I'm just trying to adjust my hat because I feel like it's stretched out a little bit when I wore it. Okay, that's a bit better. But yeah, so I woke up, worked out, helped my dad, he came over, I just helped him with some bits, and then I'm about to go west with my girl. I'm about to meet up with Jed, and we're gonna go west quickly. Right now I'm just wearing my Prada hat, my Telfeezy bag and jeans and a jacket, and this new top from Zara. But yeah, so about to go west end quickly to get some bits, some skincare. I actually need to get some makeup, and that reminds me, I need to pick you know when you forget the name and the shade of your color. So I'm gonna take my NARS little Radiant Creamy kit because I wanted to get online, but they didn't have the shade, and I thought that was a bit sad. I was like, why is my shade not online? But okay, so I'm gonna pick it up in store and then get any few bits and bobs that you need but you just never have a chance to get. So I just I'm waiting for Jed, and I did not know they had Fenty Beauty and Huda Beauty in the booths. Like, I did not know. Like, let me show you guys. Like, I did not know they had it here. This is over there. And like, I've been needing some stuff and I didn't know. I could have just come here. Like, I did not know. So we have Huda. I've still not tried this. Like, I don't think I care to, if I'm honest. Huda Beauty. Some MAC. I do need, I should have brought my MAC, the number of what I need, because I always be forgetting the numbers. okay though. Started. Hi guys. Hi. With Jed. She's vlogging as well. It's got Starbucks, got ice latte.
Nothing's been posted just yet though, but I'm coming. Why is mine darker than yours? You've got better lighting than me. I'm sorry.
No, it's fine.
I'm sorry, I can't see much, but I should get this right.
Yeah, I think.
Where's the register for this one? Tony? Yeah.
This thing is so reactive. I just it's more gentle, so it just like it's really the surface of my skin.
Child, this don't work. We gonna make it work. You know what I'm saying?
Make it work for real.
Make it literally. We gonna make this in our
That is definitely manly. Yeah. That one's a bit manly. There was enough other things over here, but it's called Akadipama. It bangs, like it's so nice. I love them. But this one is really cute. This one is nice.
So at the moment, a gallery going on in Paris,
Okay.
and these are the artists. So they have the job of creating a piece of art with a different fragrance.
Okay.
So this one, for example, is a book with papers impregnated with the fragrance.
Did you say impregnated?
Yes.
Yeah.
And so it has 34 pages. This is the 34 Boulevard Street, which is where the main house for Diptyque is.
Yeah.
This one's really nice as well. Feel free to smell them. So when someone lights a candle, it will liberate. And
Oh, cool.
And here we've got the cane of Chiron. So Chiron in Greek mythology is the god of medicine and healing.
Okay.
So this is his hand, and it's got this ceramic
Oh shoot, yeah, I
beads.
can see it. Hi guys, so I am back from West, and funny enough, I got home just in time for my Cult Beauty haul. So I'm actually gonna do a haul for this. So I will probably show you guys everything after. With the Cult Beauty stuff, I wasn't able to find Supergoop sunscreen. It was sold out, so I'm glad when I went to Selfridges I was able to pick one up, so that's really good. But yeah, it was fun. Do you know what, I've not been to West London in ages, so it was actually pretty it was nice being there actually, and I guess because it's like during the week it wasn't so busy, but it was good. And I've seen some fragrances that I want to get, and hopefully I can find my Diptyque. I've been looking for this since my, what's it called, Mallorca vlog. Like I've been looking for that fragrance. I got it like in 2018 and I've still not been able to, well, it lasted so long, but now it's finished. I obviously want to replace it, so hopefully I'll be able to find it. I might have to just look online or something because it's my favorite. But yeah, I'm so happy that I caught my delivery in time. I'm actually gonna do a haul, a separate video, and show you guys like what I got. So I won't show you now, I'll show you in my haul video. I'm just gonna eat and chill now, and then like get ready because I'm going out to a fashion party later, and I'll see if I can try and vlog some content for that. So yes, get into this makeup. I did a very simple makeup. Usually I do a bit of eyes, but I just didn't want to today, and I really love the way it turned out. Like I feel like it looks really cute, like really subtle. But I actually need to go because the Uber said it's downstairs, so let me even turn this off and actually get going. So I'm basically back home. tonight did not happen. Basically, it was a little bit of a bust, so we left. But I'm annoyed because look how cute this makeup is. Like, what a waste. I hate wasted makeup. Like, I hate a wasted beat, a wasted outfit. Like, oh wow. And again, we are in my kitchen and I'm just making breakfast, and I did a workout and I prayed. Lately, I've been listening to Sarah Jakes Roberts.
But when life began to shake her up, she knew that the only way to overcome was to return to the place where she felt most connected to God and more alive than she had ever felt possible. You're going to have these moments when you have undeniable peace and joy. You'll feel confident in the decisions you make and the plans you're pursuing. You'll feel perfectly aligned with your Creator. When those moments come, I don't want you to bask in them without taking a moment to jot down your habits, routines, and thoughts.
Her book, Woman Evolve, it's been so good. Like, I feel like it's definitely speaking to the season I'm in. Like, it's really just feeding my soul, my spirit, which is good. So I've really been enjoying that of lately. Yeah, so today it is ugly and rainy and blah. So we're just gonna do some work this morning, and then I'm gonna go in the afternoon and get my nails did because these are not giving. I told you that last night was a bit of a bust, and like where we went basically was just basically not what we expected, but it's fine, it's cool. We came home, we just chilled, and then I actually filmed a video, so I was really proud of myself because I was just like, oh, okay, look at me being, utilizing my time, because I had all this makeup on and I was just thinking I can't let it go to waste, so we might as well do something with it, you know what I mean? So that's what I did yesterday / this morning, and now I am literally, I've just got some stuff to do for the J&Co launch, which is officially on the 28th of September, which is literally in like 2 weeks. So I've just got a few little bits and bobs to finish off doing, so that's what I'm focusing on today. And like emails that I need to chase, like people, suppliers, etc. So that's kind of like literally what I've been working on and doing for like today. It's like, what's the time, like 2 o'clock now? So that's what I've been doing. I'm starving. I've literally only had a slice of toast, but it's just because I've been busy. So, and I was feeling a little bit under the weather as well once I woke up, but I feel good now. So that's what we're doing. We're gonna get into some of this work. So I'm just taking pictures of the products for the website because I kind of want it to look really clean and crisp, the way I want it to look, and hopefully it comes out like that. So that's why I'm just taking the pictures of it now so I can upload it onto the website.
Your mind.